Ever wondered how to truly master the Siemens NX software? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the NX Education Zone, your one-stop shop for all things Siemens NX. This high-powered design and manufacturing software is a tool waiting to be unlocked, and we're here to provide the keys. We start at the beginning, making sure that even the most novice of users can find their way around the NX interface. It's all about creating a solid foundation, and this initial step is crucial for your journey ahead. Next, we move on to basic 2D sketching. This is where you'll learn to draft your initial designs and ideas. We'll cover all the necessary tools and techniques you'll need to bring your ideas to life. Once you've grasped the basics of 2D sketching, we'll introduce you to the exciting world of 3D modeling. This is where Siemens NX really shines. You'll learn how to transform your 2D sketches into fully realized 3D models, adding depth and detail to your designs. The final step in our tutorial series is assembly design. This is where all your hard work comes together. You'll learn how to assemble your 3D models, creating intricate and complex designs. Remember, the key to success with Siemens NX is practice. Don't be afraid to revisit these tutorials as often as you need. And of course, keep an eye out for more advanced topics and updates. If you find this series beneficial, we'd appreciate it if you could like, share and subscribe to our channel. This way you'll stay up to date with all our latest content. Thank you for embarking on this learning journey with us. Here's to your success with Siemens NX. Happy designing!